Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make sahlab. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the ingredients. So first you're going to need about 2 teaspoons of orange blossom water. And then you're going to need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 cups of whole milk, and then some cinnamon and walnuts for the toppings. Now, you can use pistachios, you can use coconut flakes, whatever you like for the toppings, but I'm gonna be using cinnamon and walnuts today. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I went ahead and poured the milk in a pot, and I have my heat on a medium-high heat. But before the milk gets hot, while it's still cold, I'm gonna go ahead and mix in the 2 tablespoons of cornstarch until it dissolves. So you want to make sure that you add the cornstarch to the milk while the milk is cold, or it will get clumpy and it's not going to work out. And then after mixing that in, I'm going to be adding the 3 tablespoons of sugar, and I'm going to mix that in for another minute, and then I'm just going to let this milk come to a boil. Ready, and this is what it should look like after boiling for a few minutes. It should be a little thick, and then you're going to be adding the 2 teaspoons of orange blossom water, and then let it boil for another few minutes, and this is how you want it to look. You don't want it to be too thick, but then not too runny. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just pour it into my serving cup. And now I'm gonna go ahead and top it off with some cinnamon and walnuts, and then it'll be ready to serve. You wanna drink it or serve it while it's hot. And this is what it will look like after topping it off with the cinnamon and walnuts. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.